Guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I make my guava juice. I was gifted some guavas and I kept some just to make some juice. So I'm going to show you in a few minutes how I do that. Okay guys, so the guavas have been washed, peeled and cut. So now I put them in the blender and I'm going to add some water. So about 2 cups of water and I'm going to blend. Okay guys, we're going to strain this guava puree. Alright, we're going to strain it to remove the seeds. That's actually a little bit on the thick side, so I'm just going to rinse my blender jar, a little extra water. And guavas are very rich in vitamin C. So if you have guavas, there are many ways you can use your guavas, and this is one of the ways that I choose to use mine. I'm making guava juice. Okay, so that's our guava. The guava was pureed and strained, and so the seeds have been discarded, and this is what you're left with. It's nice, rich concoction, very rich in vitamin C. So we're going to add some sugar to this. So we're using granulated sugar. So 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and we're going to sweeten. We're just going to stir this. So now we're pouring this into our jug, and we're going to put this in the refrigerator to cool. Then it can be served later over some ice. There we go. 1 jug of goodness. Okay guys, so here we are. We're going to pour some guava juice over ice. And there we go, 1 glass of guava goodness. So guys, if you enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.